Hey everybody, so this is my grungy commuter bike here. Chain was getting pretty dry, so I decided to try a different chain lube, where I'd actually tried it before and it seemed pretty decent, so I wanted to try it again and just document how many miles it goes here. So I'd used it before, put it on this time, but it's just the finish line one step. It's like a chain lube and cleaner kind of all in one type deal. So it's like I say, I tried it before and it seemed pretty decent. So basically you just, shake up the bottle and put it on and essentially wipe your chain off. So, that's what I did, and wanted to just put it on here and just try it, real world conditions. I live in Denver, commute in Denver and stuff, and it's normally pretty dry. So, I got caught in one little quick rainstorm, and then there's always sprinklers seem like going off in the morning or night, so you go through quite a few puddles. I'll ride through, got a couple options of taking some dirt road or gravel road shortcuts, so I'll typically take those. But basically you just put the lube on, and then I just wiped it off really well, get all the excess off there. And it definitely, this is a lube that you put it on and immediately after this I'm commuting home, so felt pretty good initially. But anyway, this is kind of what it looked like after it was on. See, I did a little messy, hasty job getting lube on my rim and stuff. But anyway, let's see how it comes out here after a long-term test. Went and saw Greta van Fleet the other night, so let's take a 20-second Greta van Fleet break. Alright, so this is the result after about 200 miles. It's pretty dirty. It's not horrible, but I've got about 200 miles just commuting. I haven't cleaned the bike at all. It's pretty messy, and of those 200 miles, probably 15 to 20 miles were on dirt roads and gravel roads and stuff, and went through a few puddles and sprinklers and got rained on just a little bit here and there. But so far it's held up pretty well. Normally the test I'll use is if you just tap on it, you can hear the rollers rattle, and it's just starting to get there, but it still rolls pretty smooth and everything. Get a really close-up shot here, but kind of twisting it, you feel a little bit of grindage, but I don't know, I'd say all in all, just for something I put on and quickly wipe down, with a dirty chain to start with, I don't know, I like it for a low maintenance commuter type chain lube, or any kind, whatever. It never felt rough. A lot of chain lubes, when you first put it on, till it kind of evaporates the liquid carrier, it starts to feel pretty rough. But I don't know, I'm pretty impressed with it overall. I'd say it's a good, if you're not inclined to take your chain off and degrease everything frequently, it's, there's definitely not a lot of buildup on there, so I think it's pretty decent stuff. So I'd recommend it. I'll probably keep using it since we've got it up at work and such. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you found the video helpful. Feel free to comment if you have any questions, or either which way. But anyway, thanks for watching.